You've designed and finished your book, and now you're thinking, right, what do I actually do next? Welcome to ExWhyZed. We specialise in book and booklet printing. We make the print journey easy for designers, self-publishers and indie authors. Getting started, there are 3 decisions to make. Firstly, binding style. Stapled is brilliant for booklets up to 72 pages, and your pages will open completely flat. Perfect bound gives you a square spine and a really professional softback feel. And if it's a premium keepsake book, hardback is the winner. Second, size, and we print all shapes and sizes from tiny square books right up to imposing large format. Next up, pick your paper finish, silk, gloss or uncoated. Basically a choice between smooth and clean, punchy and shiny, or matte and tactile. Once you've made these choices, we can give you a price. Now the key bit, send us a print-ready PDF with 3 mil extra artwork on each edge to help with trimming and the pages in reading order from cover to cover. We're always here to help. Just give us a call, drop us an email or ask for a Zoom if you're feeling exotic. Head to exwyz.com to get started. We can't wait to transform your ideas into print.